So, a person stands on the edge of a lake and spots a woman hang gliding at an angle of elevation of 25. So, we have a woman up here in the air, hang gliding. We have another person down here on the ground. All right, and they are looking at them. So, there's my right triangle right there. And the lake doesn't seem to have anything to do with this because I'm talking about the water. But, anyways, it doesn't matter. The woman is 200 feet over the ground. So, they're 200 feet over the ground. Angle of elevation is 25. That's going to be right here. How far is it from the person to the woman? All right, so now we got to think about this. The person's here. Whoops. Person's here, woman's here. So I actually want to know that side. Again, this is not the most common situation, but it happens. So there's the hypotenuse. There's the opposite. There's the adjacent. So for this problem, it's going to be a SOHCAHTOA problem because it has an angle involved. SOHCAHTOA. Okay, SOHCAHTOA problem. I want the hypotenuse. I know the opposite, so it's going to be a sine problem. All right, a sine problem. So sine, parentheses, equals fraction. Let's see, 200 is the opposite. Don't know the hypotenuse. Angle's 25. That's a 27. 25. Okay, now, I know the angle. That means it's a cross multiply problem. Sine 25 is, and not do bad habits, it close the parentheses. It doesn't make a difference in this case, but it will. Others have 0.422. Cross multiply, I get 200 equals 0.422 x. Divide by the decimal. And I get 473.240. So 473.240 equals x. And it says to the nearest foot, that means no decimals, which means around the 3, using the 2, 4, 7,